Begin seated with the brace open and unclipped. Lift your leg up and place it inside of open brace. Line up your patella kneecap with the circular dials. Using the clips, secure the brace closed. Find the red tab on either side of the brace and push the tab up until you hear a click to unlock. You should be able to bend your knee now based on the dial settings. To lock, straighten your knee and push the tabs downward until you hear a click. To remove the brace, take hold of each clip and undo one by one. Lift your leg out of the brace once completely unclipped. To adjust the fit of the brace, clip each strap and undo the Velcro of the loose end. Pull tight on the loose end and secure down until it feels tight. The Velcro pieces are removable so you can adjust the length of the strap. Fit should be tight, but you should be able to fit 2 fingers underneath each strap comfortably.